Hello, cryptos. As for me, the crypto market is something like the gambling, because you know that idea of the cryptos, of the blockchain, is very successful and this technology which have a good future. But from the other side, we need to be very ironical, maybe safer ironical about the crypto market. And in this connection, the DOG, which we will talk today about the trading system for DOGE-USD, is the cryptocurrency which we issued as the parody for the Bitcoin. And in this connection, the self-ironing in this cryptocurrency is quite useful for all crypto industry, because when we become very serious and very, smart about the cryptocurrencies market, you are losing the highly important portion of the philosophical viewing for the cryptocurrencies, because it's mostly the gambling and it's mostly the gaming at least. So this is my personal opinion, but I think that when you have such a point of view for this market, you a better understanding of all those fluctuations, all those unreasonable fluctuations on this market, because it's just the game of honors. And in this case, sometimes the honor becoming much more important than any other kind of economical or other financial reasons. And I think that we will find it exactly in the DOG cryptocurrencies. So I have made quite a long philosophical opinion in this connection. We will try to be more concentrated on results. So here is all the deals, and we can see that most profitable deals was approximately 10,000%, just along from this position. And in this connection, the distribution, the histogram of profits distribution is amazingly wide for the DOG coins. And you see that most of the stocks, most of the positions were closed with the very small negative result. But the retail sides of we see that a huge, that the right side of the histogram is amazingly highly important. In this case, if you will close position a little bit early, so if you are not understanding the gambling character of this market, you will close positions too early, and in this case it will influence very seriously for your total results. So as we see, during those 5 years which we're analyzing, the DOG coins have risen 5,600%, with what is very good result for the buy and hold strategy. But how about our methodology? We can see that our methodology giving us much more serious results, because it's 57 here and 2,096 here. So the difference is more than 40 times, approximately 40 times, a little bit less than 40 times. How about the distribution of all the deals in this trading methodology? So we can see the total number of the deals, 292, percentage of the so-called winning rate. So it's a percentage of profitable deals is only very close to 50%, maybe 51%. The distribution, the standard deviation for all the deals is 7.18, so it's 700%. And the total 718, it's a mathematical expectation, and the standard deviation of the profits is much more higher, so it's 1,872, and the total result is total profit is 20,500%. we need to multiply it for 100. So it's 200. Excuse me, it's quite difficult to talk about such a figures. 209,608 percent. So we consider profit factor, what is a majorly important measurement of the quality of trading system, because as we see that money management is mostly based, for me at least, it's based mostly exactly on the profit factor and the so-called Kelly factor, which are highly useful for deciding of the maximum or the optimum long-term position. So the total profit from the profitable deals, 2,138, maybe 39. The total losses is just minus 42, and in this connection the profit factor is 50, close to 51. If it will be rounded, it will be 51 or 50.77. The maximum profit was 101. The maximum loss was minus 0.75. In this connection, the profit factor, which is based on the maximum profit relative to the maximum drawdown, is even more higher, 134. So it's, in some cases, it's showing us that we have a very good relationship between the maximum profit and maximum drawdown. From the other side, we can say that the maximum profit is highly influential for the total performance of our trading system. So in many cases, I need to say again that this system is based on some kind of the parameter of your positions, because you know that you could not open the positions, for example, all the capital invest in this point and the first signal, all the capital invest on the second, and so on. So you will need to make a distribution of your capital in this connection. Maybe each position you will open just for 1% of your capital. In this case, we could not expect exactly such results as we have here. I mean that in percentage of the those 200,000%. But the distribution, for example, if you invest just 1% of your capital in each deal, will give you exactly results of 2,096%. So it depends from your you know that the portfolio, diversification of your portfolio, of number of the coins which you are including in your portfolio, and it also depends from your risk averse. So if you are risky, you will invest more. If you are not risky, you will invest less. But it's much more reasonable to invest exactly those portion of capital which will be calculated on the Kelly factor or the F optimum. If you will be interested, I will make a video about it. Why? Because you see that during the very long period of time, almost 3 years, we wouldn't have any profit from these positions, maybe even the very small losses, and all the profit, the big portion of the profit is coming just from a very short period of time, maybe just here in the second part of 2018 and here in the first part of 2021, because after that, on the after strong correction, you know that it's something like the jumps and diffusion. Mostly it's based on the using of the econophysics, exactly on the model of the jumps and diffusion. So our idea is to have optimal way the jumps and to close positions when we are finding that these jumps becoming was finished, and we see the diffusion after that. So that is the theoretical idea of this trading system and this trading methodology. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope for your comments, and I hope for your links, active links for your videos about or other articles about your experience in the cryptocurrency trading. Have a good trading. Have a good day. Bye bye.